just get confirmation that we broke the world record? Yes, we did!
You are probably looking at me and going, Bria, why are you wearing a Triceratops costume on a day other than Halloween? Well, I'm here at Legoland California to help them in breaking the world record for the largest dinosaur costume dance party. We are here in celebration of their new land opening, which is called Dino Valley, opening on March 22nd, and everybody showed up dressed head to toe in a dinosaur costume. Take a look.
That was absolutely amazing, friends. Thank you so much.
All right, everyone. Now let me just get confirmation that we broke the world record. Yes, we did. Most dinosaurs in one spot. We are so incredibly excited to have you all here. We are also so incredibly excited to announce that the opening of Dino Valley is officially set for March 22nd!
We can't wait to see you there. We had a good time today. We hope that you follow us on socials and tag us at Legoland California and use the hashtag Dino Valley.
Now let me hear your biggest dino roar on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
As you can see, we had a roaring good time, and I am happy to announce that we did indeed break the world record for the largest dinosaur dance party in costume. So until next time, bye. All right, I told you guys we were gonna come back once Dino Valley opened, but we were actually invited back for the VIP preview to get to see Dino Valley a day before it opens to the general public. So let's go take a look. Well, that was the VIP preview of the Dino Valley. We'll see you guys back here in the morning for the grand opening ceremony. All right, we are here bright and early for our very first grand opening ceremony of a new land at Legoland California Resort. So let's take a look.
For coming out on this beautiful morning at Legoland California Resort for the grand opening of our new land, Dino Valley! I am so excited that you are all here, explorers. You look amazing. And without further ado, let's get this started.
Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing out there? Oh, we love to hear that. My name is Dino Valley operator Van, who's excited to see our brand new Dino Valley. Oh, friends, we do not cheer here. We roar. Let me hear your biggest, loudest Dino roar. Great job, Junior Explorers. All right, like I said, my name is Dino Valley Operator Van, and today is a special day because today we finally get to enter our Dino Valley. And who better to help me than two amazing explorers and experts on fossils. Please help me welcome Explorer Sammy and Paleontologist Girl.
Hello, everyone. You all look dynamite.
So good.
Oh, we are so incredibly excited that you're all here. Things have been getting really exciting in the last 24 hours. We are here at the Dino Valley base, studying the ongoings inside Dino Valley. And we are incredibly excited about our discoveries.
It sure does, Explorer Sammy, but you know what? We can't explore Dino Valley without our biggest dinosaur fan. Everyone, please help me welcome Lego T-Rex guy. It's good to see you, friend.
When I heard Dino Valley was opening, I came as fast as I could.
Well, you made it just in time. We're on the cusp of a real T-Rex sighting, and we couldn't explore Dino Valley without you. Oh, and a big shout out to our Dino Valley operators outposts. They cleared a path for us to be able to explore this beautiful prehistoric valley.
Well done indeed.
Thanks, guys.
Through our research, we have found that Coastersaurus is the #1 cause of roaring and cheering throughout Dino Valley. Right, Paleontologist Girl?
Well, you do have a dynamite roar. You know what, Explorer Sammy?
Yeah.
I think it's time that we start our adventure and go exploring. What do you guys think? All right, well, you heard Explorer Reporter Alex. For us to enter Dino Valley, we have to give our biggest, loudest, ferocious roar. So let's practice after 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. That's an amazing roar, Junior Explorers. And looking at my watch, I think it's just about time to enter Dino Valley. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! What's happening? Whoa! Hi, guys!
So exciting! We are so proud to announce that Dino Valley is officially open here at Legoland!
Alright! We hope you have a dynamite day here at Legoland California Resort. Feel free to go explore Dino Valley. Only yellow wristbands until 12 o'clock. And the Dino Valley is open for everyone to explore.
All right, I don't know about you, but I had an absolute blast. And Legoland California Resort has already shown us so much. They've celebrated their 25th birthday here at Legoland California Resort. They have broken a world record, and they have celebrated opening a brand new land called Dino Valley. So if you want to see what else they have in store for us the rest of this year, make sure you stick around and hit that subscribe button. So until next time, bye.